Right, a few minutes ago this car wasn't starting. Now I replaced the starter and it's starting very well. And this is the culprit. Sorry, by the way, that was a joke. It took me a few hours, not a few minutes. Okay, this is the culprit here. Um, to choose the right starter, the part number doesn't really matter. What matters is the type of the starter. I think this one is, I can't see it, D6G5. If you match this number, then you know it's the right one and it will start. Now I can't see the starter here, but maybe you can, because the camera can go to places where I can't really. Let's try that. You can see the starter here, that black thing. I don't know if you can see it from here. Now to do this starter is quite straightforward. It's awkward but straightforward. Easier than the older shape, because you just lower the back of the engine and the gearbox. Obviously remove the engine mounts. You lower it about 10 centimeters and that's enough to put your hand and the tools. Then remove the old starter with a new one. Remember, before we had a click, now it starts every time. Okay, one other thing that I want to do in this car is this heater here. It works only on number 5. All the 1 to 4 not working, only works on number 5. I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy and cheap. All you need is a star screwdriver to remove these 2 screws. Sorry, I'll go get the screwdriver. Okay. And pull this. Okay. Now you can remove this, or you can leave it dangling. It's here. If you get this out of the way a little bit, you can see. Here you go. It's easier than it looks, really. Old one off. New one on. You know what? You can see more than I can. The camera's tiny. See how easy it was? Right. Moment of truth. Okay. Oh, it might work if I put the ignition on, actually. Yes, it's working. Faster. Excellent. Now this job is quite cheap and easy, and if you take it to the garage for this fault, you shouldn't expect to pay a lot of money. I charged about £60 for the whole thing. I'll be doing more videos about lots of things in cars like this, including full diagnostic, the airbag problems. Just keep watching my videos.